Hello, today we will guide you through how to use GoCharting. To begin, open your browser and go to the official GoCharting website. It's important to make sure you're using the correct site, since financial charting platforms can sometimes have similar looking search results. Once the page loads, you'll be ready to start exploring the platform. When you're on the home page, look for the search bar. This is where you can quickly find the market you want to analyze. You can type in a stock, a cryptocurrency, a forex pair, or an index, depending on what you're interested in viewing. Take your time here and enter the asset name or symbol carefully so the platform can show the most relevant results. After the results appear, click on the asset you want to open. This will take you into the chart view for that market. Once you're inside the charting interface, you'll notice that GoCharting gives you a wide range of tools for analyzing price movement. If you're new to charting platforms, don't worry. The layout becomes easier to understand once you know where the main features are. At the upper part of the screen, you can click on the indicator buttons if you want to add anything to your chart. Indicators are commonly used to help analyze trends, momentum, or volatility, so this section is useful if you want to customize the chart for your own style of analysis. If you're just getting started, it can help to add one tool at a time so the chart stays easy to read. You can also click on charts to change the chart format based on your preferences. This is where you can switch between different visual styles, depending on how you like to view market data. Choosing a chart style that feels clear and comfortable can make analysis much easier, especially if you'll be using the platform regularly. On the left panel, you'll find the drawing tools. These tools let you mark up the chart directly, which can be helpful for highlighting trends, support and resistance areas, or important price levels. If you're practicing analysis, drawing tools are a great way to make your chart more visual and organized. Finally, at the bottom part of the screen, click Save so you can come back to your work later. Saving your chart is especially useful if you've added indicators, changed the format, or drawn on the chart and don't want to repeat the setup next time. That's the basic process for using GoCharting. Once you've gone through these tools a few times, the platform will feel much more natural to use.